started on your salsa. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I isolate my rib cage in my salsa movement, so I have a couple of exercises and tips that can help you along your journey to get better rib cage movement when you do all the salsa steps and isolations. So I'm going to give you some pointers that will help you with, first of all, a warm-up. So you're going to go up with your rib cage, up. You're going to take a nice deep breath. You're going to go 1, then to the left, 2. It's almost like if someone had kicked the right side of your ribs, completely extended as much as you can. Then you're going to contract inward, 3, like if someone had completely knocked the air out of you. And then you're going to take it to the right, 4. So when the rib cage leans to the right, it's as if someone hit you on your left. You can't stretch there anymore. So again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, there you go, 2 and 3, 4. Make sure you bend your knees all throughout. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, I just want to explain something. You may do just little movement. Use that little movement and practice till then you can extend even further. Right now I'm doing really big movement because I've been practicing for quite some time now, so my extension is long. But in the beginning, if you're just starting out, it may just be this, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's review that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to connect all the 4 dots together and go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little faster. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now little circle and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good. So now you're going from big rotation to smaller rotation, and you're playing it rhythmically. Now you're going to warm up to the other side, because I tell my girls, if you do one side well, make sure you practice the other side. You will always have a more comfortable side, just like in salsa and hip movements. You may roll to the left good, but you should know how to roll to the right. If you practice both sides, that just makes your side that much better. So here we go. The other side. Up, then to the right. 2, inward, 3, and 4. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Let's just let our hands hang. 3, 4. You can put them up against. Whatever you find helps, but the hand should be not helping your movement. It's completely your rib cage that takes over. 4. Now you're going to go 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. Out and in and out. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Keep going. 7 and 8. Bring it up. Good. So there's your rib cage and warm up. I'm going to do it the other side so you can see what that looks like. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, slow. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, and 6, 7, 7, a little faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Bring it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A little faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go for your rib cage warm-up. And let's connect it with salsa now. Salsa, you're gonna go tap on the set. So you're gonna go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now in threes. Then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And that's how you're going to start to use some of the rib cage movement in just a simple side-to-side step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to turn over so you can see it slowly. Singles. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Faster. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. That's some isolation that you can do your rib cage to warm up and to use in your salsa. Of course, there's so much more that we use our rib isolations for, but those videos will be coming up. Thank you so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel and tutorial. Remember, I'm in North Hollywood. If you want to come check out my dance school, I teach 7 days a week. So come check us out and make sure you practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. Thank you guys.